Hey, I wanted to show you guys how to use the GOTOES Strava Tools. The first thing you're going to want to do is to get your GPS files off of your GPS. So these are the files that you're going to be modifying, and you just want to plug your GPS into your computer. And there's a lot of different kinds of GPSs. I'm showing you on a Garmin because that's what I have. Basically, you plug it in, and when you see that little icon there, that means it's connected to your computer. So now on the computer side, you've got a little folder over there on the far right. It says Garmin on it. That's where your files are going to be. So you double click on the Garmin folder, then you go to Garmin inside there, activities, and then find the two files that you want to merge. And on a Mac, you can actually just drop those onto the choose file button and boom, they're in there. But on a PC, you might actually have to hit the word choose files. I normally go ahead and choose let tool select my time zone. But if you're using indoor trainer files that don't have a map, the tool will not be able to figure out the time zone, so you're going to have to specify it. For your convenience, the tool will also remember the last time zone that you used for future uploads. Okay, now that the files have been processed, we're going to go ahead and see which streams we want to add. Notice that some of these streams are grayed out, and that's because of the file type that you're choosing to export. So TCX, FIT, and GPX all have different capabilities, and so for example, here now that I've selected fit, you can actually insert the total ascent, for example. So go ahead and adjust all the different things in here. Most of these things you can ignore. If you've already linked the tool to your Strava account, click the Send to Strava checkbox, and then you can specify a name. And as soon as you click the big blue button down at the bottom, it says click here to combine the files. It will begin processing the files, merging them, and then it will send them off to Strava, and you'll have a little progress indicator showing how the Strava queue is going. And as soon as Strava has processed your files, you should get another link. It says click here, click on that, and that'll take you straight to your merged files on Strava.